welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about set. I think you all are familiar with the word set. So in my previous video, I already discussed about list, dictionary, tuples. So in this video, I am going to discuss about set. So what is a set? Set is a unordered collection of item. That means item doesn't have any order. And another important word you have to know, important line rather than, set cannot store any duplicate value. This you have to remember. That means if you give two numbers, same number 4, again you have given 4, so 1 4 will only be printed. Okay, now I will show you a live example. Suppose I am taking num equals to, write in curly braces, remember this. Suppose I give 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now let's print num, okay, print num. I have done. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is printed. Okay, now suppose if I give here again a 5, I have printed 5 once, I am giving again 5. See, 5 is printed only once. I already said before only that it will not print any duplicate values. Okay, now I will show another thing. Now I will show you how can you convert a list to a set. Suppose I am taking num2 equals to, I am writing a set. How to write a set you all know, 4 5 6. I have written this 4 5 6. Okay, now how can you convert to a set? See, okay, see, it's converted. Okay, set, first bracket open, then the list values, then first bracket close. Now let's print num2 and see what's the output. Print num2, let's see what's the output. See, 4 5 6 is the output. Okay, is this clear to you all? See, now you can easily convert a list to a string. Okay, now I will show you how can you remove a number. Suppose you want to add num2 dot add. Simple. You want to add, suppose 7. You want to add 7. See, 7 has been added here. Okay, 7 has been added. Suppose you want to again remove 7. How will you remove? See, num dot remove. If you want to remove 7 only, see, 7. Okay, see, 4 5 6, 7 is removed. Okay, how can you add, how can you remove? I think you have understood how can you add a number in a set, how can you remove a number in a set. Okay, now I will show you. Suppose not in and not in. Suppose I want to check a number. Suppose I want to check that 7 is there in the set. So how can I check? Suppose I want to check this. Suppose I want to check here. Suppose 7 in num2. Let's see. 7 in num2. See, answer is false because I already deleted. Okay, I already deleted, so there will be no 7. Suppose if I write here 5, see, it's true. and the values will all be boolean because I am writing in. I already said in my previous videos in. So the values will always be boolean. Suppose you can write here not in also. 5 not in. See, it's false because 5 is there. I am writing not in, so it will be false, na? Suppose if I write here 7. See, it's not in. It's absolutely correct. 7 is not there because I have already removed 7. So this is it. Okay. Now I will show you the functions of set. Suppose I add there 7. I'm adding here another number 7. Okay. Now I want to do union. Suppose I want to do a union. You all know union, intersection and difference. I think you all are familiar with this. Suppose I want to do print num1. Okay. Num1 in union. See the union sign. This is the union sign. Okay. Remember this. See, union means, what does union mean? I will again repeat. I think you all know. Union means all values will be printed. Num1 has how many values are num2 and how many values. All values will be printed except the common values which are there in num. Suppose see 4 is there in num1 also, num2 also. So 4 will be printed once only. 5 is also there, so 5 will be printed only once. 6 is also there, so 6 will also be printed only once. Okay. So this is. Suppose now we want to do, you have done the union, now you want to do intersection. Okay, intersection. Okay, let's do the intersection. See, 4 5 6 is the answer because intersection means num1 and num2 common values. See, 4 5 and 6 are the common values, so intersection means only the common values. Okay, is it clear to you all? Now I will show you the difference. Okay, now I will show you the difference. See, difference is 1 2 3 because, see this very carefully, num1 minus num2. See, 4 5 6 is already there in num2 and num1. So num1 has extra values 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 is printed. Suppose you may say what will be num2 minus num1. Let's see that also. See, only 7 because 4 5 6 is common. So only 7. The number which I give first, num2 I am giving. So num2 value that is not there in num1, that will be printed. Okay, is it clear? I think you have a very good idea about the sets. By this, we end this video. If you have any comments, any comment you have to understand anything, just comment down. I will answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.